Hey guys, want to know how to change your password or reset your password in Lorex? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first up, open up your favorite browser and type in lorex.com. This will redirect you to the official Lorex website. Make sure you are logged in. And once that's done, just simply go to reset device password. In this case, this is not the account password but the device password only. If you want to reset your account password, I have created a video on how to recover your account by resetting its password step by step. So you can watch it right here. Under reset device password, you can see two videos. Here is the step-by-step guide on how to do it. So under this video right here, there is a form. You need to make sure you write your first name, last name and your phone number as well. Also make sure that your shipping address is accurate. And then select your model number of your device ID and your serial number of the device. Now, there should be a date displayed on the device on the top right corner of the screen. Make sure to write it as well. Now you need to upload your picture over the device info, information sticker and proof of purchase to make sure it's legit. And once you've done that, just simply click on submit. Or if there is any mistakes, just clear the form right here. And that's it. The support should contact you and your device password should be reset. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with this for more related videos. See you on the next one.